well, we've had a good run. This basement, now if you guys have been a long-term viewer of my channel, you guys have known just the entire existence of Jack Ultra Gamer to Jack UltraMotive, all of it has taken place inside of this basement. This is basically where I just kept my gaming setup in the house, and we are moving out now, so it's time to say goodbye. We gotta have a little temporary setup before we're fully gone out of here so I could still use the internet and stuff while we still have it. And hell yeah, we got the ultimate box set up here. We still got rocking the triple monitors and then the laptop off to the side. I don't know about you guys, but this is the most MLG thing I think I've ever seen. This beats any person's gaming setup by far. These are the tables over here that all the setup went on, and same with this thing. I'm gonna miss this room honestly because the whole channel basically developed in this basement down here, but everything must come to an end. No, no, no. Welcome to here in my garage. For the last time in this garage, we're moving out of here, so this is the last time we're gonna probably do something here in this household. It's a lovely place, I miss it very much, but we'll probably be moving on to something a little bit better in the future. So what you see here, your eyes do not deceive you. These are the Work VS SS 3-piece wheels that have been on my R32 for most of all its lifetime. That kind of gave it claim to fame and made it really aggressive, made it really stancy and whatnot. Right now my R32 is sitting on the white TE37, so we put it on, so these are just lying around, and they happen to be right bolt pattern to fit this car. These, in my opinion, preferably run 19-inch wheels, and these are 18s, but that doesn't mean that they're not gonna look freaking hot as hell. So we're gonna test fit. We don't know if they're gonna fit, okay? Because these are zero offset wheels. You got so much dish right in there and only so much fender to see if you can clear that. So we're gonna see if that works, and if it does, then for the temporary time until I get the wheels that are gonna go on the car for the Forza build, for now we're gonna run this setup, and I think it will be hot and a lot better than this or that. So let's get started. Let's go take the jack. Let's take the jack and let's put the jack under the car while I jack with the jack on the jack.
You jack the car up using the jack does the jacking.
Yes.
Don't take that out of context.
Yes. Oh, I love doing the jacking.
Okay.
Star pattern is you take each individual lug nut out.
Yes. Gotta get the gains! If you guys notice when watching the installation videos, it's always the least stressful task that we always have the most fun with when it comes to recording. Whereas like, what was the most stressful thing we've done as far as installation stuff? Fitting these on the GTR to begin, that was a nightmare because we had a show at 10 a.m. early in the morning, and we like showed up to Austin's place at 4 a.m. and we tried to get the car fitted on them, and they fit, but then we lowered the car as well, and then my exhaust was literally like scraping the ground. It was this close off because of the wheel setup and the camber that we added. So it was just not, there was no clearance, and it was horrible, and it was such a stressful day because we had to make it in time for the show. So rule number one, never do your installations or experiment on a car when you have a show to attend in the morning.
That's one
moment of truth for front. Jesus Christ, this is gonna be too spoiling. Actually, I don't think we should do it. It's gonna spoil the setup too much. We're putting a wheel that's too aggressive and too hot before we even put the wheels that are gonna be for the Forza build. It's gonna this is too much. I don't know. Okay, fine.
Oh yes. That was really good.
This is close.
Yeah,
this is
we have to
so close.
Super slowly.
Yeah. Moment of
slowly. I don't want that kind of responsibility.
I'm like too nervous. My hands are too sweaty. Firmly grasp it.
Firmly grasp it.
Dude. Alright, you gotta do it.
So we're gonna do this. If the car somehow snaps,
no,
I'm not liable for it.
I don't want to shake that.
I'm so nervous. Is it just?
Do you not have grip either?
No, I have grip. I'm literally just like, there was one point where I was just like straight up eating it, and it wasn't like.
There's a baby in a baby carriage.
I remember when life was simple. I work on this car and worry about punching 2 fenders.
Okay, okay, you're chilling, you're chilling, you're chilling.
Okay.
You're chilling. Slowly. Oh. Whoa, whoa. Holy crap. Holy crap.
That worked!
They're on.
This.
We have some aggressive poke fitment. Oh my god.
Wild.
This Z, holy crap. Wait till you guys see this in daylight. This thing just got transformed in a matter of one move. I gotta see this father approved.
Oh, they look so much better. They come out automatically. You know?
I know, yeah. It fixes all the fitment issues that I have with the other ones. It's just funny. We're just like, for fun, we're just putting like the most aggressive wheels. Well.
That's it down.
Yeah, it did it.
Yo.
Whoa. You know it's good when Jack starts jumping up and down.
I say they're nice.
Ooh, got that nice new Nismo exhaust on there. It's so transformed. They don't even look too small at all because it's got so much stretch and so much of the lip is poking out. They almost look like they really fit perfectly. They allow everything else to complement them now. Seeing the exhaust tips with the wheels and even this lip before, I didn't even really care about this, but now it adds all the difference. Dude, this is wild. I'm telling you, may not have been a good idea. We may not want to go to something else. This might be too good. Yo, that does look a lot better. Give you guys one full walk around as the rain starts out here. This was just an amazing idea. That's all I can say. Yes, with Project Forza Z, we're taking a little bit of a pause and we're going a little bit stancy real quick just for the temporary time until my other wheels get here. But this is a good taste on if we should go even more stancy in the future with more deep dish wheels. So, as now that my car is stancy, we found the other stancy cars. I haven't been to one of these in a freaking long time. We got our UltraMotive protection out here though. We got the mask and then the hoodie. Lucas! I put the Johnnies on the Z.
You did?
Nice, dude.
What are we thinking? Hot or not?
I'm thinking hot.
Spicy?
I'm thinking hotter than hot, bro.
Yeah.
When do I get a ride?
Dude, I don't know. It's not even that exciting, okay? That's true. You wanted one of these, right, too?
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
I wanted a Z so bad. I've thought about getting a Z so many times, and then you got one, and I was like,
It's funny. I didn't know like as many people wanted Z's as they did. So I'll let you even drive sometime.
fuck yeah. That would be fucking sick.
You know the manual though, right?
No. Auto song. You see this though?
Oh, you just got, ooh.
Alright, I gotta go. Can I take the Z and leave?
Dang, what's up, dude? Looking good. I found where all the freaking bunnies are. Oh my God. Nothing like your standard Pacific Northwest meet with nothing but Subarus and BRZs. You do not see these that often whatsoever. This is a modded Focus RS in black. He's on AO-down wheels. He's got front canards, front lip. He's got the rear lip. Most RS owners just like, they're boomers and they barely do anything to their cars, but it's kind of cool to see this guy doing something out here. There's a person on the back of that. He's just hanging there.
Dude, it's not bad. It's not bad at all.
It's pretty freaking popping.
Yeah. And now there's no need to get any other wheels, right?
Sure.
Does it rub?
No, because I mean obviously I have a lot of room.
No, because fitment bad. No,
Yeah, exactly.
It looks really freaking good. It looks way better than the stock wheels, so.
Oh dude, totally. We put the works on the Z.
Yo! Yo, it looks so much better.
Tim and I were just so bored. We're just like, we gotta do it. He's doing the GTR thing. Wow, I see how, okay, Austin. I guess he's going through his rightful GTR ownership. He's doing it. He's doing it. He's doing the thing. Dude, literally every single vlog is filled with a drive-through clip. I'm not making this up. I've never like spectated in this before. It's really weird to actually just see him face us. Like this, just freaking wrong.
Yeah, can I get a nugget?
Can I get ketchup?
I want one nugget and one fry. Hey, I want a freaking couple hot dogs, eh?
The poor lady right here is just so confused. They were actually freaked the hell out by how quickly we go give it a little kiss, a little kiss. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is this a schmooch?
I thought you were gonna hit him.
Oh God. No! No!
Ultra.